Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Okay. Now, what are the different views of the skull? What is Caldwell view? Caldwell look view is a posterior-anterior occipito-frontal view. So, this is an occipito-frontal view. Caldwell look view is an occipito-frontal view. So, in Caldwell look view, the structures which are seen in the Caldwell look view include here we can see the superior orbital fissure can be visualized. It will be here. So here superior orbital fissure will be somewhere here. Superior orbital fissure is visualized. So this is the site where superior orbital fissure is present. Along with that there is also presence of the greater wing and lesser wing of the sphenoid will be present along with ethmoid and frontal sinus, and there is also presence of floor of the cella can be visualized by this Caldwell look view. So through the Caldwell look view we can see the superior orbital fissure. Here you can see the greater wing and lesser wing of sphenoid, and you can see presence of the ethmoidal sinus. So these are the ethmoidal sinuses and these are the frontal sinuses which can be seen, and here there will be floor of the cilia can also be seen in Caldwell look view.
thank you and thank you for watching.